Welcome back to Finance Insight 360, where we dive deep into all things personal finance. Today, we're going to explore a topic that's both eye-opening and crucial for your financial well-being. The dark side of personal finance, common scams to avoid. Personal finance is all about managing your money wisely and securing your financial future. Unfortunately, there are unscrupulous individuals and organizations out there ready to take advantage of unsuspecting individuals. In this video, we'll explore some of the most prevalent scams targeting your hard-earned money and, more importantly, learn how to protect yourself from falling victim to them. Segment 1. The impersonation scam. Our first common scam to watch out for is the impersonation scam. This scam often starts with a phone call or an email from someone claiming to be a representative from a legitimate financial institution or government agency. The key here is to remember that legitimate organizations will never ask for sensitive information like your social security number, bank account details, or credit card information over the phone or via email. If you receive such a call or email, hang up or delete it immediately. Segment 2. The pyramid scheme. Host. Pyramid schemes have been around for years, and they continue to lure unsuspecting individuals with promises of quick and easy riches. To avoid falling for a pyramid scheme, remember this golden rule. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Be skeptical of any investment opportunity that guarantees high returns with little to no risk. Always do your due diligence, research the company or opportunity thoroughly, and consult with a financial advisor before parting with your money. Segment 3. The phishing attack. Next on our list is the phishing attack, a common online scam where fraudsters create fake websites or emails that mimic legitimate financial institutions or businesses to trick you into revealing personal information. Protect yourself from phishing attacks by verifying the legitimacy of the website or email address. Look for signs of a secure connection, https://. Check for spelling errors or irregularities in email addresses, and never click on suspicious links or download attachments from unknown sources. Segment 4. The investment fraud. Investment fraud is another prevalent scam that preys on individuals looking to grow their wealth through investments. One crucial step to avoid investment fraud is to verify the credentials of the person or organization offering the investment opportunity. Check if they are registered with the appropriate regulatory authorities. Also, diversify your investments to spread risk and never invest in something you don't fully understand. Segment 5. The credit repair scam. Credit repair scams target individuals with poor credit scores, promising to magically improve their credit for a fee. To protect yourself from credit repair scams, remember that improving your credit score is a legitimate and gradual process. Be wary of anyone who claims they can fix it overnight. Instead, work on improving your financial habits, paying bills on time, and reducing debt. Segment 6. The lottery scam. Lottery scams often involve receiving a message or phone call claiming you've won a substantial sum of money in a lottery you never entered. The key here is to be cautious and skeptical. Never send money or personal information to claim a prize you didn't actively participate in. Legitimate lotteries and contests do not require winners to pay upfront fees. Segment 7. The debt relief scam. Debt relief scams prey on individuals struggling with debt, promising to eliminate or reduce the debts in exchange for an upfront fee. Host, on camera, if you're seeking debt relief, it's essential to work with reputable credit counseling agencies or debt settlement companies. Research and read reviews to find trustworthy professionals who can help you navigate your financial challenges legally and ethically. Segment 8. Steps to protect yourself. Now that we've discussed these common scams, let's outline some steps you can take to protect yourself and your hard-earned money. Be skeptical. Always approach unsolicited offers or requests for personal information with skepticism. Legitimate organizations won't pressure you into making quick decisions. Research. Investigate any investment or financial opportunity thoroughly. Verify the legitimacy of the people or companies involved and seek advice from trusted financial experts. Stay informed. Keep up to date with the latest scams and frauds by following news reports and government alerts. Protect your personal information. Never share sensitive personal information, such as social security numbers, bank account details, or credit card information, with unknown or unverified entities. Use strong passwords. Secure your online accounts with strong, unique passwords, and enable two-factor authentication wherever possible. In conclusion, in the world of personal finance, knowledge is your most potent weapon against scams and fraud. By staying informed and following these essential steps, you can protect yourself and your finances from falling victim to these common scams. Remember, it's not just about managing your money wisely, it's also about safeguarding it from those who seek to exploit your financial dreams. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and stay safe on your journey to financial well-being. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe for more valuable content on personal finance. Until next time, take care and stay financially savvy.